Is your kitchen cooking up clutter quicker than recipes? Here's our organising essentials to get your kitchen working for you again. First thing is to pull everything out and sort out what you're still using and keeping, or could be given away. Then, put your kitchen keepers in groups, like with like. To make your kitchen work the best, you basically want to put your groups in the easiest place to use them. To do that, we've broken this kitchen up into basic activities: serving and preserving, washing and waste, prepping and cooking areas. By separating your activity areas, more people can work in the kitchen at the same time. Let's start with the serving. This is where works best for dinnerware, glassware and serving bowls. Put the things you use often closer to the worktop, less so further away. This will make everyday items easy to reach. In the top drawer, cutlery inserts keep everything separate and easy to grab. A drawer for foil and wrap starts off the preserving section. The small boxes for little essentials stop it becoming the junk drawer. Down below is good for food containers. By dividing the drawer up with lids packed vertically and stacked boxes, you can fit loads more in. Right by the serving area, a washing and waste area works great. Under the sink, shelves for cleaning supplies and separate bins for waste make everything easy to sort. This one even pulls out for easy access. Next up, the prepping section. Chopping block up top, knives and utensils just underneath, where they're easy to take while working. We like to group prepping activities like baking, and by putting them in their own boxes, they're simpler to keep organised. Bigger or heavier things go further down, like appliances or bowls stacked together. And drawer dividers let you stack vertically too. Next comes your cooking and baking area, right by the oven. By checking out what stacks and dividing lids, you can fit more in here. And drawer mats stop things sliding around. See? Nice and quiet. Racks and rails give lots of extra storage space in even really small kitchens. Herbs, knives, whatever you use the most. Finally, everyone uses their kitchen differently, so adjust your kitchen to suit you. Want a kitchen garden or a coffee station? Go for it. The big thing to remember is to think of your kitchen's main activity areas and to keep your kitchen things in the easiest place to use them. Happy organising!